running into an old friend. Sarah, is that really you?
Alex, wow, it's been a long time.
I can't believe it. What are you doing here?
I live just around the corner now.
That's amazing. You look great.
Thanks. So do you. How have you been?
I'm doing well, just busy with work.
I understand that feeling completely.
So, what are you doing these days?
I'm a teacher at an elementary school.
That sounds rewarding. Is it stressful?
Sometimes, but the kids are wonderful.
That's great. I work in graphic design.
Oh, that sounds very creative and fun.
It can be, but the deadlines are tight.
I can imagine. Are you happy with it?
Mostly, yes. It pays the bills.
That's the most important thing, I guess.
What about you? Do you still play guitar?
Not as much. I don't have much free time.
That's a shame. You were very good at it.
Thanks for saying that. Life gets busy.
It sure does. I started hiking recently.
Really? That sounds like a great hobby.
It helps me relax and clear my head.
Maybe I should try that sometime.
You should. We could go together one day.
I would like that a lot. Let's plan it.
Do you remember our college road trip?
Of course. That was one of my best memories.
We listened to that one CD the entire time.
Haha. Yes, the Summer Days album.
I can't believe you remember the name.
It was a really good album, to be fair.
It really was. This has been so nice.
I agree. We shouldn't be strangers again.
Let's exchange numbers before we go.
That's a good idea. Here is mine.
Got it. Are you free sometime next week?
I think I am. Just send me a text.
Will do. It was so good to see you, Sarah.
You too, Alex. Let's stay in touch.
Definitely. Have a great rest of your day.
Thanks, you too. Talk soon.
Good customer service experience. Hello? I need some help with a return.
Of course. How can I assist you today?
These headphones stopped working suddenly.
I am sorry to hear that.
I only bought them last week.
Do you still have the receipt with you?
Yes. I have it right here.
Thank you. Let me take a look.
It is a bit frustrating, you know.
I completely understand. It's annoying.
I just hope it can be fixed.
Let's see what the problem is.
So, what are my options now?
I've checked them. There seems to be a fault.
Okay, so what can we do?
We can offer you a full refund or a replacement.
I think I would prefer a replacement.
That is a popular choice for this issue.
Is this a common problem with this model?
To be honest, we have had a few returns.
I appreciate your honesty. What do you suggest?
This other model has much better reviews.
It looks more expensive, though.
It is, but it's known to be more reliable.
Quality is important. I'll take that one then.
I think you are making a good choice.
Great. Let's proceed with the exchange.
Excellent. I will process that for you now.
How long will this process take?
It will only take a couple of minutes.
Perfect. I'm glad it was easy.
We try to make returns simple for customers.
Do I need to sign anything?
Yes, just a quick signature here, please.
All right, I've signed it.
Perfect. Here are your new headphones.
Thank you for the great service.
You are most welcome. Is there anything else?
No, that's everything for today.
All right. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thanks again for your help.
Enjoy your new headphones. Goodbye.
Online shopping versus in-store shopping. Look what just arrived for me.
Oh, a new package. What did you get?
It's a new keyboard for my desk.
You bought it online? I'm always nervous about that.
Really? I find it so much easier.
Why's that? I prefer seeing things first.
Well, the selection online is much bigger.
That's true. Local stores have limited options.
And I can compare prices very quickly.
I agree. Saving money is always good.
Exactly. It saves me both time and money.
But what if you don't like the product?
I can just return it. It's usually free.
Returning things seems like a lot of work to me.
Sometimes. But driving to a store takes time too.
That's a good point, especially with this rain today.
I biked to work and got a little wet.
For clothes, I really need to try them on first.
I understand that. Sizing can be very tricky.
Exactly. The color can also look different online.
That has happened to me before, actually.
See? That's why I prefer shopping in person.
But for electronics, I trust the online reviews.
I read reviews, but I still like to hold it.
You like the physical shopping experience, right?
Yes? Sometimes it's nice to just walk around stores.
I get it. It's a different kind of activity.
And you get the item immediately. No waiting at all.
That's a big advantage. Shipping can be slow.
How long did you wait for your keyboard?
Just 2 days. It was surprisingly fast.
Okay, that is not bad at all.
The delivery services are getting much better.
Maybe I should try buying something small online.
You should. Start with something you know well.
That's a good idea. Maybe some new books.
Books are perfect for online shopping. No surprises.
You've convinced me to think about it more.
Great. Now, I need to open this box.
Let's see if it looks like the picture.
I hope so. It had great reviews.
Well, good luck with your new keyboard.
Thanks. Would you like another cup of coffee?
Yes, please. I think I need one.